In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and format text in Lucidchart. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, these steps will guide you through the process of adding text to your diagrams quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, head over to Lucidchart's website. If you don't already have a bookmark, simply type lucidchart.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once on the homepage, locate the login option at the top right corner and click on it. This will take you to the login page. Here, type in your email address. Make sure you enter it correctly, especially if you have multiple accounts. After entering your email, click on the next button to continue to the password entry page. Now enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check your caps lock if you're having trouble. Once entered, click on the login button and you'll be taken to your Lucidchart dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's go to the Documents section. This is where you'll create new diagrams and find existing ones. Click on the Documents tab, which is usually located on the top of the page. Here you'll see a list of your recent documents. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on New to start a new project. You'll then be presented with several options. Click on Lucidchart to begin creating a new diagram. You can choose between starting with a blank document or using a template. If you're new to Lucidchart, a template can be a great way to get inspiration for your design. But for now, let's select a blank document. Once inside your canvas, look for the T icon, which represents the text tool. It is usually located in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click and hold the T icon, then drag it onto your canvas wherever you want the text to appear. After dragging, release the mouse button to place your text element. Now click inside the text box and start typing whatever content you want. To format the text you've just added, head over to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Here, you have the option to change the font style, size, and color. Experiment with these settings to see what looks best for your project. You might want to adjust the text color to make your content stand out more, or change the font size for better readability. Another method of adding text is to incorporate it directly into shapes. Click and drag a shape from the toolbar onto your canvas. Once it's in place, click on the shape and select the text tool to add text directly inside the shape. Just like before, you can format this text by going to the menu bar to adjust its appearance. This technique is particularly helpful for making flowcharts and other diagrams where you want the text to be part of the visual element. And there you have it. Inserting and formatting text in Lucidchart is straightforward and enhances your diagram's clarity and visual appeal. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and